Please subscribe and hit the bell to get notification of our new video. Thank you. Just as usual, we go to our normal browser. This is Chrome. When you open it, you go to your normal website, renderforest.com. renderforest.com. Then you go to the menu as usual. This is the menu. When you open, you see create video. This is it. Then you select the category, what you want to create. Let's say whiteboard animation. You tap it to see where it will show you create now. Create now. Tap it. You go to add scene. You see many scenes to be added based on your story. You choose the scene that will match with your story. For this tutorial, let's choose this and insert. Then I can type the text you want to use. Let's say welcome to digital masterclass brought to you by for ICT Hub Limited. You save and close. It will read. Let me add another scene. You use this close button to add scene. Let's add another scene. Let's say I just choose any scene because of this tutorial, this training. When you get a story from your client, you come down and choose a good scene. Okay? That will match with your story. But let's just choose any scene, add the text. Let's say it's wise to observe all the rules and regulations of the group to avoid being ejected. Okay, let's save it. We'll add just 3 scenes for the sake of the tutorial. When you want to create, you take your time and do something great. And let's say for another scene. Let's say thank you. And remain placed. Sign admin. Okay. After you have once have added the scene and type what you have in your story, you go to the next, at the up here, the next icon. You can see it. You tap it there to choose the overall look and fill your animation. Maybe you can choose this one, but me, I prefer to use pen and write. Understand? So after then, you go to the next one to choose the color you will like, how you want it to appear. Did you want it blue? Go to main color. Okay. Let's use custom color so that we can. Okay. Can use main color. Let's say we want to use green. Let's confirm it. Then let's go next to add our music. At the up there, you can see it. Alright, at this stage now, you can either choose music from your gallery or choose from the one that comes with the website. You can as well add a voice note. But for now, let's go and add music. You can see the plus button, add music. If you want to upload from your phone, you can see upload music here. But I'm choosing from the music library that comes with the website. Okay, so let's see how the music plays. Okay. Let's use the first one. You click the plus button to take you here. All right. Then we can go to the next one. Almost the ending to save what you have done. It's loading. At this stage now, if you are a subscribed member, you have paid for a package, you can use a high quality video. You can see HD exports. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using free preview. So let's tap it. We can see it's loading. Whiteboard animation toolkit. It's now loading. It's exporting now. You have to leave this stage to finish exporting, finish loading, because it may not run on background. So to avoid losing your video, you leave it to reach the 100%. It won't take much time. It won't take much time. Alright, I think it's finished now. It's applying the audio. Okay, it is set. At this stage now we can play, but let's download it first. This is the button, you can see it, downloading button. So you can just tap it, it will download it for us. Free output, you say download. Yes. Then now you can open and see what you have done, or you go to your gallery. Let's check it in our gallery whether it's there. Album. You can see download here. You can check what you have done. This is exactly what we have been doing. It's very simple. Congratulations, you have been able to create whiteboard animation. Next tutorial loading. Thank you and stay blessed and stay